guys, welcome back to my channel. I reviewed all types of different things. I'm reviewing a timer that I've never seen in my life before. It basically puts your standard dial timer and your sand timer in the past, and this is a timer for this day and age, for the 21st century. It is called TickTime. It comes in a very, simplistic, sleek design. You just open it up. There is your TickTime. And then it comes like so. On the bottom, you're going to find paper and a charger for it. It has a magnetic surface, and I'm going to show you some of its details. So just by moving it, I am making it do things. So you'll see 3, 5, 10, 30, 25, and 15 as your set times. I'm going to show you that in a second. Here is your display. You cannot see the color of the display on my camera for some reason, but as you can see, you can adjust your minutes, and then your volume, and then your seconds. And then there is the place to plug it in to charge it. On the back, you see a little vent that is going to be also the speaker. And then here is the way you can turn it on or off. So let's check it out. You can make the volume louder or make it a lot lower. So you can adjust your minutes to up to 99. You can also adjust your seconds up to 59. Here it is standing on the table. As you can see the numbers, I have it upside down where it shows the blinking tick time arrow, and then it has the speaker as well. I don't know if I mentioned this, but it is magnetic, so it will stick to metal surfaces like your fridge, your microwave, all those things. You turn it upside down, that turns it on. That many minutes, and then it begins. Set it to 8 minutes, and there it goes, counting down. Of course, you can set it to be very loud, very even silent if you want to. It does have a silent mode. So let's say you're in a public area and you are reading or working and you only want to have you be the only one alerted. It's going to go off either loud or silently. So it will just blink when that time is up. I would use this for cooking, especially. I like to bake a lot, so this is going to be perfect for baking. Doing that actually stopped the time. As you can see, when you flip it upwards, it stops. So let's check out this other feature where it has preset times, and putting it down, it starts with 3 minutes, then you're at 15, 25, there's 30, of course 10, 5, and then 3 again. So that is really cool. Just putting it up, it does stop it. And to turn it off, you just flip it like so. Really, really interesting concept here. Like I said, I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this before. It definitely puts your traditional timers in the past. I say you can use it for games, working out. You can use it for cooking, like I said, working, time management. And it is actually very efficient because you don't have to put the time in yourself every time. You have these preset times that make it a lot easier and makes working a lot more productive. So yeah, that is the TickTime. I'm going to have the link in my description if you want to check it out. I really like this. Can't wait to bake with it. I'm going to maybe post on my Instagram story if you guys want to see me use it in action, or maybe my YouTube channel story. But yeah, I guess I'll see you then. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.